Hey you guys, this is Lauren, and today I want to give you guys an inside look of one of my private training classes. I had two girls training with me today.
Really good. So I'll bring it a little bit higher.
So we're doing my foliage technique, and I make sure to really saturate the ends and do a little softer application on the top.
Yeah, test it out. Test the piece out that you feel like would be good.
And then shortly after I do a few sections, I really have them just get in there with me and start doing it themselves, and they did such a good job with it. Right here I'm doing kind of more of a baby light where I just lightly tease the top of this section, and I'm going to saturate all the way to the top of this section. We use a clip to clip the foil to the tease and to hold the tease in place.
So I just feel like my belly's hanging out. It's funny.
And right here I'm doing the hairline, and I'm making sure to take back-to-back sections very fine so that I can get a nice bright pop around the face. I wanted to show you what the hair looks like mid-process. So we lifted everything to about a level 9. So you see some yellow, a little bit of gold maybe. So I always like to take the client back to the chair, open everything up, see exactly what I have to work with before I start doing my color melting. And what I did was we melted with a 5N Shades EQ at the root, and we just kind of combed it down a little bit to diffuse the line. And then my final gloss was 8GI, 8N, and a little bit of 9V. And now we're going to do a little bit of a haircut on her just to keep her ends healthy. And I'm just doing a shallow point cut on her, and we're keeping it nice and long, just kind of dusting the ends and keeping them nice and clean down there. And now I'm going to do a kind of tease cutting technique, and that kind of helps to remove some bulk from the bottom of the haircut. And then we're going to finish up with some beachy waves, like I always love to do. And that's just going to, when we shake it up, it's just going to look really soft and natural and just like a little bend to the hair and not a super tight curl. And this is our end result, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at Lauren Francis Hair. I do private training at my studio. I also do small private classes you can sign up for, as well as online education. So lots of new stuff coming for you guys. Make sure to check it out at laurenfrancishair.com. Thank you guys.